Hey guest, and welcome back to the Rodgers House. And today I'm super excited because it is the second season premiere of our home decor Luxe Club's VEDA Squad Clothes Collab, hosted by Lady Allie from Glam Elegant Living, along with her co-host, and I am one of them. I will link all of our channel information down in the description box so that when you finish watching my video, you can go over to see what these phenomenal creators have created to inspire you. So April is National Decorating Month, and every Saturday in April, we'll be giving you tips, ideas, and inspiration on how to decorate your home for spring. We take risk and personalize our spaces, which is why today I'll be showing you how I styled my dining area with a Bridgerton inspired buzzworthy tablescape. So I'll let you enjoy the video to music. So guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing how I styled my dining area with a Bridgerton inspired buzzworthy tablescape. And if you did, please leave me a comment down in the comment section. And please don't forget to join us every Saturday in this month to see more of the Home Decor Luxe Club's VEDA Squad design aesthetics. And watch the playlist because these creators will be showing you home decor ideas for the spring. So if this is your first time visiting, welcome, and I hope you'll consider becoming a guest of the Rodgers House. And if you are a returning visitor, thank you so much for all your love and support. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I've uploaded more videos. And I want to thank you all for visiting and watching the Rodgers House.